everyone, welcome to my channel Singing with Lauren. This is our second video in the holiday cheer sing-along series, so I decided to pick White Christmas. I'm from Wisconsin, and so I have a lot of nostalgia about snow and snowing during the Christmas season, and here it's raining and it's like 45 degrees, so boo. Christmas. This is from Irving Berlin, 1942, but it's still such a classic, and I hope you like it. Now, if you want just me playing the chords so that you can sing along to it, and I also will include a version of me just singing it straight through, definitely hit up that link in the description, and you can sign up, and I will email you an MP3 with the accompaniment of chords and also with me singing it straight through so that you can hear both and you can have a little bit of support if you want to perform this or sing it for your family this season. Without further ado, let's sing White Christmas. Okay, so just like last week in Winter Wonderland, there actually is an introduction to White Christmas, although it's not very heavily performed. So I thought it would be fun also to include it in here. If you don't want to do it in your version of your performance, definitely don't worry about it. You can just ditch it. But it's kind of cute because it's talking about how the character is actually in a sunny, warm place, and that kind of sets the scene for how they are longing to be somewhere where it's snowing. Okay, so here it goes. Let me just sing it for you so you can hear it, and then we'll get into it. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway. There's never been such a day in Beverly Hills, LA. But it's December the 24th, and I am longing to be up north. So that is the introduction. Like I said, it's kind of cute. So the words are: the sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway. There's never been such a day in Beverly Hills, LA. So day, think about it as an open A vowel, and L-A, even though it looks like a big A, you're not saying ah, you're also saying that open A vowel, A. Okay, so let's sing that. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway. There's never been such a day in Beverly Hills, LA. Awesome. But it's December the 24th, so think about O, don't think about the R and TH. 4th, and I am longing to be up north. So everything is rhyming here. Okay, you see that little tail floofing around in the background. Okay, here we go. But it's December the 24th, and I am longing to be up north. It's tempting to go to that R, but don't go to it. So let's do that whole thing one more time. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway. There's never been such a day in Beverly Hills, LA. But it's December the 24th, and I am longing to be up north. And then we go into I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. So this is still in cut time, and there's a lot of diphthongs in this, right? So you want to think I'm not going to the M until I'm going to dreaming. The M, the second vowel of I'm and the M almost belong to the dreaming, right? I'm dreaming of a white, again with the ah, right? White Christmas. And must, don't say Christmas. Christmas. It won't sound right. You gotta say Christmas. And then it sounds like Christmas. Christmas. It sounds the same, even though you're thinking a little bit more of a tall vertical vowel. Okay? Just like the ones I used to know. O, round that O, okay? Where the tree tops glisten and children listen to hear. Don't go to the R. Hear, right? Pure E. Sleigh bells in the snow. So pure O there too. Let's sing that section. Let's do this. 1, 2, ready, sing. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. And I want to make sure you guys aren't feeling this in the back of your throat. I want to make sure you're feeling it right here, right? So don't let your tongue get involved. Don't let any of that darkness get involved. Keep it all right here. Okay? And so then we go, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas again. With every Christmas card, I right? Ra. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white, right? So this is a little bit more of a simpler one. There's not a whole lot to this song. That's why I think it is a good idea if you want to add that introduction. Okay, so let's sing it from there. So let's sing that whole second half. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. Ready? 1, 2, ready, breathe. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. And now traditionally people will repeat and go back and do it the whole thing over again, but you don't have to. And if you do that, you might want to consider adding a different second ending. So like you could go, be white. You could go up to your head voice there, or you could do that on the first time, and then the second time, I did on that lower octave. That's just an idea of something you could do. You could also add it on the first ending. You could add on the third. So be white, and then go back into I'm, so that it kind of feels like it's not over yet. And then obviously at the end you resolve it to the C, which is the note that it ends on, at least in the key that I'm doing it. And by the way, if you guys need help changing the key to this, all you need to do is go on one of the chord websites like Guitar Tabs, or there's so many of them, and you can actually change the key on there to help you bring it higher or lower. And if you don't know how to play chords, you can always just look up high key or low key in the sheet music, or even in karaoke. A lot of times you can find 2 different versions of the song. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this song and that you're having a great holiday season so far. I know I am, and I will see you guys next week.